Hello members, I'm back again to take you through how to create Google Meet. So Google Meet is a video conferencing platform developed by Google. It is designed for real-time communication and collaboration, allowing users to hold virtual meetings and presentations with remote participants. So Google Meet offers features such as screen sharing, chat messaging, and the ability to schedule meetings directly from Google Calendar. The platform also high quality video and audio capabilities, making it ideal for professions, educators, individuals looking to connect with others remotely. So this is what I'm going to take you through so that you learn more about the video conferencing, holding meeting, attending far distance meeting, and so on. So you come and search in Google search. So I'm going to write Google Meet. Google Meet, then Google search. You search in Google Meet. So here they're bringing first options like Google Meet, online video calls, meetings, and conferencing. So I'm going to tap on this. It's still loading. Let's give it some time. So here you come. You have video calls and meetings for everyone. So this is where you can connect, collaborate, and celebrate from anywhere with Google Meet. So for the first one, new meeting, that is when like it's you can be the one to share the link, to send the link for people to join, and also to start the meeting. Now this one, where you are provided with where to enter, go to a link, that is when you're joining the meeting. So I'm going to just create and start an instant meeting. Yes, it's still loading. So here we come, and these are the icons that you're supposed to use when you're conducting the meeting or video conferencing. So as you can see here, that is where you can tap to add other people, or also like invited to join the meeting. Then this microphone, you can use this icon to open, like in case you want to increase the volume. Then this is where you can open and you set, let me say, video settings. You set so that you can be in position to view other people. Like for instance, if you're very far, let me say in Kampala, then the meeting venue is here in Gulu City here. So you can open, like turn on new video. You set the camera, then you turn on new video setting. You set everything so that you can be in position to see those that are airing their views, those present physically in the meeting. So that is the captions. So if you turn it on, of course this one you can use it also the same like when you're doing this thing of video calling. Then this one, if you want to send the reactions, like if you want to send a reaction, if there's someone has said something, if you want to react to, like to second, you can use also that. You tap on that, this circle, you activate it. Then this one, when they're roll calling, they can use this very icon. Like they can say if you know that you present either physically or let me say you present online, they can tell you to tap on this icon so that they can recognize you present within that particular meeting. That one, like for that one, you can only activate it when you want to raise a concern so that you can be granted the opportunity to air out your views. And the last one, this one, you can use it for more options, like in case if you get stuck on how to open the microphone, the video calling, you can ask for help. Of course, if you tap on this, it will bring you other steps and what you're supposed to do. Then this red thing, it's where you leave the meeting after completing the meeting. That is where you leave it from. Then this is where you can click to see the meeting details, what I've been talking about. Those views all will be saved here. These are the people attending the meeting. Then here, chat with anyone, with everyone. That is where you can text and everyone be in position to see what you've sent. Then the activities that are going to take place within the meeting will appear. So this is where the host control, let me say the person who has called for that meeting, he or she will be the one to control, let me say, to conduct what will be happening for within that particular period. As simple as that. So you can take just few minutes after watching this video. I assure you won't even waste time. Like if I first go to ChatGPT to direct me, or if I first go to Meta, no, you can just follow this step slowly but sure. Thanks for your time. Remember to leave your comment and subscribe.